This is such a different video to what I would usually do. But my best friend, or my older brother, I classify as River. You guys may have heard of him, I may have talked about him. He may have posted a video that I have not seen yet. I don't know, okay? But he's out at the moment, and I wanted to surprise him with a video. The thing is, he's deaf in his right ear, and he's mute, so he can't speak or hear out of his right ear. So what I'm going to do is, and he's learned how to do sign language. That's how he communicates with me. And I've been learning sign language my whole life, and I really wanted to try this. Two birds on a wire, sign language. I will tell y'all his reaction because he doesn't like being shown. So let's get into this. I did it. River, if you do see this, I really do hope you like it. I literally had to have the sign language in the background. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I can do another if you guys really want me to. And goodbye. The OVA out.